Aloha everybody, welcome to Maui Karen Ann. This is an 18 by 24 painting that I did a while back. I liked the colors, but not the composition. It was kind of ugly that way. So I've decided to cover it up. So I'm going to do a flip cup, and I've got white and aqua, alternated putting the colors in the cup. I love to do flip cups. Actually, when I do them, there are times when I don't want to cover them up because I like the design that comes out. I liked this, but I had something else in my mind, so we're going to cover it up. I'm bursting the bubbles here with my torch, and these are the colors that I'm going to be using. That's Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, and I'm also using Artist Loft Turquoise. I'm using Folk Art Metallic Gold, LIQUATEX Bright Aqua Green, DECO Art Magenta, and Champagne Gold. Now, if you've watched me before, you know I love that Champagne Gold.
Pause. Hold on. I don't think this is working.
So anyway, I like that Champagne Gold. I use it a lot because what it does is when it dries, it brings shiny gold to the underneath all the colors. It doesn't change the color, it just makes it shiny and gold, sparkly, which I like. So I'm just doing a Dutch pour here. And in my mind, I wanted to add some texture. So I have to do this and do any corrections that I want, because I think that one needed a little correction. Now I've drawn a circle, and I've outlined it with masking tape. And I've made my spackle paste. And I've taken modeling paste, and I tried to make it gold, but it didn't make it gold. I was trying to make it easy so I wouldn't have to paint it afterwards, but it kind of looks like a milk chocolate color. But I went ahead and put it on, as you see, and trying to stay inside the tape. What is good about the molding paste is even if you get outside of where you want to put it, you can still wipe it off with a paper towel and then wet the paper towel and wipe it off completely, and you won't ever know that you went out of the line. So now I'm just spreading it around inside my circle, and then I'm going to take, I don't know what you call them. I got a bunch of them. They come in a set, and they're what you're going to use to make designs into your texture. So the one that I use is this one. I use it the most because I like the lines that come out, and it's easy to use. You just have to hold it at an angle and try to keep a steady hand on it. Now I have to let this dry, and when it's dry, I'm going to paint it gold. You'll see me doing that. Here it is. I'm using Deco Art Gold again and painting all of the cracks and crevices that are in that, and was really careful, of course, around where the Dutch pour was. So the tape is off. So I let it dry, and then I resined it. I'm hoping that you can see that the gold is shown through in many places. We tried many photographs, and this is the best one that we came up with. Thank you for watching. Aloha.